How to use source command in shell script. I would like to use source command in shell script. What I have done is like this below. In start.sh. Then in command line run this script. However, nothing happens and command doesn't show anything. So, source is not the normal command? Is this wrong idea? Or how can I reduce the type of path?
Source is a shell built-in command. The which command looks for binaries on the path, like in a USArg bin, spin, etc., but you won't find any built-in commands in a separate binary. Also, having the source command in a shell script does not result in the source propagating up to your current shell when you run it. Blah.sh where blah.sh has source in it will not actually source the contents of the file into your interactive shell. That's not how sourcing works. If you want the sourcing of the TensorFlow Activate script to happen every time you open a new shell, you need to edit tilde.basic or tilde.profile, or other files, depending on what your shell is and how it's configured, and put the source command directly in there. PS. Your question title is very confusing and looks incomplete. Take some time to edit, revise and clean up your post, or you run the risk of someone downvoting it tongue-poking smiley. I'm tempted to do so myself, but I wrote an answer, so I'm a little biased.
Please use the command. I came across this very problem when I wanted to avoid writing. Thereafter, I came across a page which explains this better. What are the differences between executing shell scripts using sourcefile.sh, ./file.sh, shfile.sh, /file.sh? On Ask Ubuntu.
It appears that you wish to activate a Python virtual environment where you install TensorFlow. You can try using an alias in tilde.basic. At the end of tilde.basic, below the line. Start a bash session and you can simply type in pyTensorFlow at the command prompt to activate the virtual environment. I have successfully used this.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.